Hi, my name is Kendrick and I'm from Phidisk. I'm the founder of Phidisk Sdn and I'm from Penang. So I guess most of you was wondering, a person from Penang came up with this idea to have a NAND storage company. So about 2 years back, after I did my electric vehicles business, I was looking for a new business in my path. So I realized that NAND storage would be the future, especially in SSD. So we look for some friends and we talk about possibility of having this business coming from Penang or Malaysia. In fact, today, Phidisk Sdn is one of the active NAND storage company born or basically originate from Penang, Malaysia. So our target market is obviously Southeast Asia. So 2 years back when we started this business, well, it was really pain because if you go to Google, you basically search nothing about Phidisk. Today, if you go Google and you Google us out, you will find that at least we have 2 to 4 pages or even 5 pages now or more about Phidisk. So what we do, basically, this would be the products that we are having. So SSD, we have a very entry-level range where everybody can use it, or you just want to try upgrading your hard disk to SSD, you can try because the price is really competitive. And we also have a gaming series like the Keeper and Rough Keeper here. So if you are really into a gaming enthusiast and you like something fast or something over the limit, like something like overclocking or whatsoever, you can try our Rough Keeper. And of course, if you are in industrial, basically you need something durable and something really stable, and we also have a series for that, which is Enchanter. Besides SSD, we also have lifestyle products, which is flash card for cameras, OTGs when you travel. One of our OTG products are actually MFI, or it's made for Apple certified. If you are wondering about the performance or the quality of our products, we are already in esports, has been sponsoring a lot of esports programs. Most like the recent one was TECS, one of the first, no, not one of the, it's the first biggest esports event run in Penang, and all the PCs was using Phidisk SSD. Today, Phidisk don't have any manufacturing plant in Penang at the moment. We are still having 100% of our products made or manufactured in Taiwan. Having that said, we are having a team doing design back in Penang here. So we are having our own design team back in Penang, maybe from the selection of components all the way to the design of the outlook. It's all done in Penang. So basically, Phidisk is a product that designed from Penang, Malaysia, and currently still made in Taiwan. So we have people asking us, are we going to have the manufacturing done in Penang or Malaysia? The answer is yes. We are currently talking to some of the contract manufacturers in Penang to have some basic or some small volume production run in Penang. The media was asking us, Penang, in terms of labor, is not cheap. So why are we still in Penang? Well, basically, I'm a Malaysian and I'm from Penang. So I would like to support and I believe the talents from Malaysia. So we are not gonna have our production just focusing in some other country that having a much lower labor cost. We are very active in Malaysian market, and we are already in a talking mode to other countries in Southeast Asia, such as Philippines, Thailand, and Vietnam, to have our channel extended to those countries. Another good news is Phidisk is known to most of the players in the globe, and we have inquiries coming from Italy, UK, and even Japan today. So we are looking into possibilities to extend our business to other countries out of Southeast Asia. So we are proud to bring a new brand from Penang, Malaysia, to the world, and we hope kawan-kawan dari Malaysia, supportlah barangan buatan Malaysia.